feet aching all the time, but when you look for an option, just felt overwhelmed or maybe underwhelmed, depending on your budget. This is Estelle, and today I'm going to break down what this is, how to use it, and if it's even worth having, all from the expertise of a medical massage therapist. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. This tool has to be plugged in. It has a few settings, but basically uses the shiatsu balls to work your feet while applying compression. You can turn on the heat too. This one is also designed to be able to be used on your calves. With how much I'm on my feet, this tool barely does enough. And my calves are tender, so I have to take a painkiller to use it there. However, it does help. I do have muscular calves, so the compression is intense. If my lower legs are smaller, that would help with how intense it is. And this is a good middle of the road tool. It does the best of both worlds without making your bank account cry. And it does help with tension. So I give this tool 2 thumbs up. If there's a product you want me to review next, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.